Good morning, students. Welcome to our GK class. Today we are going to study Standard 7 GK, page 49 and 50. Okay, you take your test, page 49, Indian painters. Okay, so let us learn more about Indian painters. India has produced many great painters. Perhaps the most well-known of all was Maqbool Fida Hussain, who passed away in 2011. അതായത് നിങ്ങൾ എഫ് ഹുസൈൻ എന്ന് കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടായിരിക്കും അല്ലേ. എഫ് ഹുസൈൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഒരു ഫേമസ് ഇന്ത്യൻ പെയിൻറ്ററാണ്. ഹു പാസ്ഡ് അവേ ഇൻ 2011. ഓക്കെ, റീഡ് ദ ക്ലൂസ് ആൻഡ് റൈറ്റ് ദ നെയിംസ് ഓഫ് ദീസ് stalwarts of paintings. Choose the names from the box. Okay. First one, he uses very rich color in his paintings. Most of his paintings have a circular bindu, which according to him is a symbol of energy and creativity. He was awarded the Padma Bhushan in 2007 and Padma Vibhushan in 2030. Okay, answer is Syed Haidar Raza. Okay, Syed Haidar Raza. And second one, she was the first Indian artist to bring Indian and Western art together. She passed away at the young age of 28. Okay, answer is Amrita Shergill. Okay, Amrita Shergill. And third one, popularly known as Aben Thakur, he mainly used watercolors in his paintings. Most of his paintings were based on Indian spiritual values. Okay, third one is Abanindranath Tagore. Okay, and fourth one, he was one of the first painters to use traditional Indian colors such as pink, red and violet. Besides nature, the flute often appears in his work. Fourth one, Manjit Bhava. Fourth one is Manjit Bhava. And fifth question, she is one of India's leading painters. She paints with oil and watercolors and is a well-known muralist. She is a recipient of Padma Shri. Okay, answer is Anjali Ella Menon. Okay, and sixth question, he painted modern style, but his themes were taken from Indian mythology. He received the Padma Bhushan in 2007. Answer is Taib Mehta. Okay. And seventh question, he was one of the notable painters of the Bengal school. He mostly painted themes from Indian mythology. Bold lines, bright colors and symbol figures characterize his painting. Answer is Gemini Roy. Okay. Next is page 50. Unity in diversity. Unity in diversity എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നാനാത്വത്തിൽ ഏകത്വം. India is a land of diversity. People of different states wear different clothes, speak different language, eat different types of food, celebrate different festivals and practice different crafts. Okay, unity in diversity എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്കറിയാം നമ്മുടെ ഇന്ത്യയിലെ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്സ് എല്ലാ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്സിലെ ആൾക്കാരും ഒരുപോലെയാണോ ഡ്രസ്സ് ധരിക്കുന്നത്? ഇല്ല അല്ലേ? പലരും പല രീതിയിൽ അവർ നമ്മുടെ ഡ്രസ്സിങ് പാറ്റേൺ തന്നെ പല രീതിയാണ്. അതുപോലെ ഒരുപോലെയുള്ള ലാംഗ്വേജ് ആണോ സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്? അല്ല. കേരളത്തിൽ മലയാളം സംസാരിക്കുമ്പോൾ ഗുജറാത്തിൽ ഗുജറാത്തി സംസാരിക്കും. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ തമിഴ്നാട്ടിൽ തമിഴ് സംസാരിക്കും. അങ്ങനെ സംസാര ഭാഷയിൽ ലാംഗ്വേജ് തന്നെ ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് ലാംഗ്വേജാണ് നമ്മൾ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അതുപോലെ തന്നെയാണ് നമ്മൾ സെലിബ്രേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഫെസ്റ്റിവല്, പിന്നെ ഫുഡ്, ഇതെല്ലാം ഡിഫറെൻ്റ് ആണ്. പക്ഷെ നമ്മളെല്ലാവരും എന്താണ്? ഇന്ത്യൻസ് ആണ് അല്ലേ? ദിസ് ഈസ് എ യൂണിറ്റി ഇൻ ഡൈവേഴ്സിറ്റി. ഓക്കെ, ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Which state is famous for its beautiful Madhubani paintings? First one answer is Bihar. And the second question, the Mohiniyattam dance style belongs to which state? Mohiniyattam dance form ഏത് സ്റ്റേറ്റിൽ നിന്നാണ് ഒറിജിനേറ്റ് ചെയ്തത്? ആൻസർ ഈസ് കേരള. And third one, Gatte ki sabzi is a popular food item from which state? Answer is Rajasthan. And fourth question, the Mekhala Chadur is the traditional dress of women from which state? Assam. Okay. And fifth question, the annual Hornbill Festival celebrates the culture of which state? Answer is Nagaland. And sixth question, which is the odd one out from Varnam, Kriti and Ghazal? Sixth one answer is Ghazal. Next is seventh question, which is the odd one out from Tumri, Dadra and Shruti? Answer is Shruti. Eighth question, what do we call the mixture of fennel, black mustard, nigella, fenugreek and cumin seeds used in Bengali and Odia cooking? It is known as Panch Puran. Okay. Next is ninth question. What do we call the dialect of Hindi Urdu spoken in Hyderabad? Okay, Dakhini. Answer is Dakhini. And 10th question, Kannada, Tulu and Kodava are languages of which state? Answer is Karnataka. Next is which is common to Mount Abu, Kodaikanal, Panchgani and Ranikhet? Answer is hill stations. Okay. 12th question, chicken, pool curry and kanda are traditional form of which art? Answer is embroidery. നിങ്ങൾ കാന്താ വർക്ക് എന്നൊക്കെ കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? അതിനകത്ത് വരുന്നതാണ് ഈ ഫുൾക്കാരിയൊക്കെ. ഓക്കെ. 13 of Marathi, Gujarati, Nepali and Hindi, which language does not use Devanagari script? Devanagari scriptinathu varatha language edana? Answer is Gujarati. And 14th question, which is the odd one out among Lohri, Pongal, Uttarayan and Baishagi? Answer is Baishagi. Okay. And last question, the Dandiya Ras is a folk dance typical of which state? Answer is Gujarat. Okay. This much for today. study well. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.